The Vale of Glamorgan, often referred to as the Vale, is a county borough in the southeast of Wales. The Vale is a beautiful part of Wales, with many rural villages. Here's just a few. I often pop into Cowbridge. The historic streets are lined with independent shops and cafes. One of the oldest towns in the Vale is Llantwit Major. It's been inhabited for over 3,000 years. Archaeological evidence has shown it was occupied in Neolithic times. It also has one of the oldest public houses, the 12th century the Old Swan Inn. In Llantwit Major you'll find St Estrid's Church. It's one of the oldest churches in Wales, built in the 11th century. Now let's take a look at some other little pretty villages in the Vale. Gileston. In Gileston you'll find the Church of St Giles, probably founded in the 12th century. Bommerston Village. You'll find it on the main road into Cardiff. Another lovely little village is Llantwit. In Llantwit you'll find St Cardiff's Church. The church first appears in 1106 and is about 12th century in origin, and the church retains many of its medieval features. Well, that's all for now. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe and don't forget to visit my website, link in the description below. Bye!